Alright, what's up everyone, to another video, Full Speed Unpause. And today's video is a little bit different, but I kind of wanted to share it with you guys. We are into RC rock crawlers and pretty much anything RC, but our boy is also into it too. But he also loves car washes. He is 6 years old and he likes to clean his RC car. We figured what better than with Christmas coming along to build him a car wash. Now, we've never built a car wash. We only have like maybe an idea of what we're doing here, but we're going to get at it. So all right. So this one being kind of our biggest RC car, how tall it is, and all that stuff. So we are at the point where this thing here is almost 12 inches tall. So we're going to probably have to make an opening of 14 inches because we're not going to put a floor down. So we don't know whenever he sets it in the grass or uneven surface, we're going to need a little bit of wiggle room for when the RC car is driving in there, for it not to be hitting the top. So the idea will be probably about 14 inches, I think, will give us, like I said, just enough comfort room. As far as length, I don't want it too much longer than what the RC car is, just so it's easy to drive in and out. All right, so let's say right there, that's going to be our entrance and all that. So we'll measure. Yeah, well, actually a little bit more than 22, so I'd say 24. Just go with the healthy 2 foot long, and then we have our plexiglass piece there, which we're actually going to use that for the roof of the building, just because it being a car wash and all that, like, I can't just make a completely enclosed building because that'd be no fun, because then you wouldn't be able to watch your car get washed. So I figure I put a clear plexiglass roof on top. We'll do wooden sides, and as far as we'll do wooden sides all the way around, and then obviously have the openings for the car to drive through, and then maybe possibly also doing windows on the side so you could look through and watch it getting washed that way too. So it ain't gonna be anything special as far as soap and stuff like that. It's gonna be a simple water spray design using some PVC pipe and all that. But we got to get at this thing, and I'm not also worried about wood warping and all that. We are going to paint it, but if you think about how much this wood would have to get wet in an amount of time and years, it's going to do what we needed to do. But enough talking. Let's get some marks down and start cutting some wood. All right, so we got a couple of our boards cut already, guys. We are not carpenters. We are not expert at this stuff, but we're going to get her done. So we got our 2 boards here. Then we got our openings for each side. We're going to start screwing those together. Once we get the main part of the garage set up, we are going to cut out windows here. That way you can, again, like I said, you can kind of see the RC car going through. So yeah, but we're going to get that all set up. We got 1.25 inch screws. 1.5 inch would have been ideal, but these should work. So we don't want to be going in too far, because then we take the chance of maybe splitting the wood. That's why we are going to use a little drill bit to kind of do a little pre-hole there and get her going. All right, guys, we are doing our first test. We got this built here. Not too shabby. Looks good. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we got her pretty much done. Here she is. Came out pretty awesome. Look at that. You got a nice view. Both sides, seeing your truck in there. Go through the car wash. Woo! Look at that. That looks so good. Not too shabby. I don't know how long those lights will last. This is all our tubing here where our water comes down. Then a nice top view. I mean, that's just awesome. Then you got our remote here, which I'll probably Velcro this to the side or something so it doesn't get lost. You hit mode. Where you got just different colors, but that is cool. It was like 12 bucks for the lights. Cheap setup. 3 AA. We got to mount that still on the side. But this is mounted to, well, it is. We drilled. We just got to put the screws back in. We didn't really do much with this. Seems like it's really going to hold just on it being tucked in there. We'll see if it starts shifting around when we start using it. But as of right now, I'm going to leave it. If it does start moving, we could put screws in or even put like a couple blocks of wood to kind of just wedge it in. But other than that, she should be good. I think the boy's going to be pretty happy, guys. We're going to wrap this gift up and see what he thinks.
What is this? What is this?
Read it. What does it say?
Race cars only.
Read the other side.
Now, what's this side say?
Car wash.
Eli's Car Wash. It's a car wash for your RC car.